Not got that much time, so ready, set, go! Alright, start. Alright, also I added a tier. T tier. That means trash. So yeah, let's start. Super Mario World, it's my OG, and it got the best music. So the Super Mario Bros. 1, it's the original. How can you say no to the original? RPG, yep. The very first Paper Mario, yep. 3D World, yep. And 3, yep. Yoshi's Island, yep. Yeah, we're just getting the obviouses out the way. Don't worry, I'm not gonna put all of them in obvious. There. Wait, no. There. Alright. It's probably gonna be controversial, but I was gonna put it in A tier. But I didn't. Just for this. Alright. It's an A tier, not the best. But it was way more innovative than the original B tier. But it had good music, so let's pop it back up. It started out really crappy titles. Also, why does nobody ever include freaking Mario Maker 2? This is wrong. Alright, I guess. Alright. Let's just mention B tier. These are all pretty good. This one's good. This one's good. Sometimes I think that the same as that thing, and this one's alright. This one is alright, C tier. Super Mario Bros. 2 had good music. A little bit alright game mechanics. Like, it was the only game in Mario franchise that didn't have you pick up the enemies. And it was kind of weird. So, that, B tier. Yoshi's Island, what's the same exact thing as Yoshi's Island, the original? So, D tier. Now, get the obvious out of the way. So I'm offending people. The only reason why I'm gonna put it up here, because it's my very first Mario game, and it got me out the shell of freaking tablet gaming. Oh, what the fudge? Thank God it saves. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be pumping out videos like a lot right now, so stay tuned for that. Hope you're awake by then. Alright. 3D Land? Yep. Easy A? If you ever wanted him to be a fireman, got your wish, I guess. Who did I just put up here? I feel like I could put somebody up here. No, it's place. Sick. Ow. There's no questioning it. It's all stars. It's all 3 of the games in one. 4. Alright. And finally, Dark Moon. Alright. This is my Mario tier list. Trash on it if you want. But honestly, I think it's alright. So yeah. Dun 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 dun.